What if your bank actually paid you to keep your money with them? What if you never had to worry about pesky monthly fees eating away at your balance, or scrambling to find an ATM that wouldn't charge you an arm and a leg? And what if managing your money was as simple as tapping a few buttons on your phone, anytime, anywhere? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in the world of online banking, it's not. Today, we're diving deep into the Ally Bank spending account, their flagship checking account, to see if it truly lives up to the hype. If you're tired of traditional banks and their endless fees, or simply curious about what an online-only bank can offer, then you're in the right place. We'll break down everything you need to know: the features, the fees, or lack thereof, the interest rates, how the mobile app stacks up, and who this account is best for. So, let's get started. What is the Ally Bank spending account? First off, let's clarify what we're talking about. The Ally Bank spending account is Ally's answer to a checking account. But unlike your typical brick-and-mortar bank checking account, this one is designed from the ground up for digital-first money management. This means no physical branches, but a strong emphasis on online and mobile tools. It's built for convenience, accessibility, and potentially, to save you some money. The big sell: no monthly fees and interest earning. Money bag. Right off the bat, two of the most compelling reasons people consider Ally Bank are its lack of monthly maintenance fees and its interest-earning capability. Think about it. How many of you are paying a monthly fee just to have a checking account? $5 here, $10 there, and over a year, that adds up to a significant chunk of change that could be going into your savings or toward your goals. With Ally, you don't have to worry about minimum balance requirements or jump through hoops to waive fees. It's just $0 a month. Period. This alone can be a huge win for many people, especially those just starting out or looking to maximize every dollar. But it gets better. The Ally Bank spending account isn't just a basic checking account, it's an interest-bearing checking account. While the interest rate isn't as high as their savings account, which is excellent, by the way, you do earn a modest return on your balance. As of recent information, you can expect an APY, annual percentage yield, that varies slightly depending on your balance. For balances under $15,000, it's typically around 0.1% APY, and for balances of $15,000 or more, it can go up to 0.25% APY. Now, while that might not sound like a lot, consider that many traditional checking accounts offer absolutely no interest at all. So, getting any return on your everyday spending money is a definite plus. It's a small but nice bonus that passively grows your money. Accessing your money, ATMs, debit cards, and early payday. Rocket. But what about cash? I hear you ask. If there are no branches, how do I get cash or deposit it? That's a valid concern, and Ally has solutions. First, let's talk about ATMs. Ally is part of the Allpoint and MoneyPass ATM networks, which collectively boast over 75,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide. That's a massive network, making it highly likely you'll find a no-fee ATM near you when you need cash. But even if you can't, Ally has you covered. They offer up to $10 in ATM fee reimbursements per statement cycle for fees charged by other ATMs. So, if you happen to use an out-of-network ATM that charges you $3, Ally will give that $3 back to you. This is a fantastic perk that removes a lot of the stress associated with online-only banking. You'll also get a debit card for purchases and ATM withdrawals, just like with any other checking account. Standard checks are also available at no charge, which is a nice touch for those who still prefer to write checks for certain payments. One of the coolest features, and a significant convenience for many, is early direct deposit. With the Ally Bank spending account, you could get your paycheck up to 2 days sooner when you set up direct deposit. This can be a game changer for budgeting and managing your cash flow, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck or simply like having earlier access to your funds. Imagine getting your salary on Wednesday instead of Friday. That's 2 extra days your money can be working for you or just giving you peace of mind. Managing your money, digital tools, and overdraft protection shield. Ally Bank truly shines in its digital tools and features designed to help you manage your money effectively. Since it's an online-only bank, they've invested heavily in making their online platform and mobile app incredibly robust and user-friendly. Spending buckets, visualizing your budget. One standout feature is spending buckets. This allows you to visually organize your money within your checking account for different spending categories. For example, you can create a rent bucket, a groceries bucket, or a utilities bucket. While your money technically remains in one main account, these buckets help you allocate funds mentally and track how much you've set aside for specific expenses. It's a fantastic visual budgeting tool that can help you stay on top of your spending without needing a separate budgeting app. Online bill pay and Zelle. Like most modern banks, Ally offers free online bill pay, allowing you to schedule and pay your bills directly from your account. And for sending or receiving money from friends and family, Ally integrates with Zelle, providing a fast, safe, and easy way to transfer funds. This is crucial in today's digital world where person-to-person payments are increasingly common. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.